that you want to change this part, right, according to the product, such as like if this is cakes, maybe you want it to recommend some light bites, right? You can do this at here later on. This is your Shopify dashboard, and then you go to the app, and then you go for search and discovery. Okay, under the recommendations, here will display all your products, and then you can tick all products, but there's a second page, like you can do the other product later on. So you can tick all 30 items first, and then you choose bulk edit, and then in here they will display like the 30 products, and you can choose related products, what related products you want it to recommend. For example, like banana loaf, you can choose select and then which product you want. Okay, so you can do this later on once we transfer the store to you. And then for the related product setting, you can choose whether you want ahead or only manual. If you choose only because normally Shopify, they will recommend products here based on the data they have. So if let's say you totally don't want to show their recommendation, only your manual, so you can choose only manual. Or else if you only choose like one or two product here, and then you want them to recommend the rest, you can choose ahead.